Hi to all the lovely people. You are once again most welcome to Tutorials Point. Don't we all just love it when we get something for free? For example, we've gone for shopping and now that we've realized there is 1+1 offer, there is one t-shirt free for every one that you buy. Well, lovely. We all enjoy things which we get for free. So what are these certain phrases which are associated with things that you get for free? Well, let's go ahead and learn about them. Ways to say that something is free. Wow, what a gala time do we have when we get something for free, don't we? Let's go ahead and learn what are these certain phrases which you can use during such a gala time. Free of charge. Well, of course, a very commonly used phrase to indicate or to convey that something is absolutely free. It is not going to charge you anything to use it. So let's look at an example. Students may visit the art gallery free of charge on weekdays. Wow, lovely. Don't we all love such offers? Well, of course we do. And now that we know what term we should associate with them, definitely we know how to convey such or how to actually express such a happiness, how to express this experience to anybody. At no cost. Well, yet another idiom, yet another phrase to convey that something is absolutely free. I got it at no cost, which means I got it absolutely for free. Okay, almost all public schools provide transportation at no cost, which means you didn't have to pay anything for that. For nothing. Well, for nothing is yet another expression to indicate, or yet another expression which means that you got something absolutely for free. I mean, you didn't have to pay anything for that particular thing. She is a great teacher and really passionate about what she does. I feel like she'd probably teach for nothing, which means that person is not going to charge you anything. Well, you could take this for nothing. Well, of course, it means you can take this for free. On the house. Well, on the house is yet another phrase which means that you don't have to pay anything for something that you get on the house. Let's look at an example. Bill is going to lose his job if he keeps giving his friends drink on the house. If he keeps giving his friends drinks on the house. Well, of course, which means that it means something that is given to you for free at no cost. Well, we would love such a thing if it happens with us, and we also know, we are aware how to convey such a situation or how to express such a situation. Courtesy. Well, courtesy is yet another word which is used to indicate that you got something for free, or someone paid for or someone else got charged for whatever service you got or whatever product you got. Many hotels in Orlando offer courtesy shuttle to major theme parks. So obviously, again, offer courtesy shuttle. So courtesy shuttle actually means so something which has been given to you as a goodwill gesture sort of thing, and it is absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything for that. So of course, we all would love courtesy stuff, or we would all love to have courtesy shuttles or courtesy perks which we get. Perk. Well, perk is yet another example which means that you got something for free. So the salary isn't great, but the perks are phenomenal. So additional benefits which you get along with your salary, or not just salary, for anything. So additional benefit over and above your standardized salary or something that you supposed to get. So if you get something over and above that is what is referred to as a perk. So definitely we would all love to have great perks with our salaries, don't we? Freebie. Well, freebie is yet another term which means something which you get for free, right? When I worked in purchasing, my vendors would often send me freebies in the mail. So again, these are like sort of gifts or something or kind of perks, you might want to call them as perks, or something which you got as a gift, or something that you got for free is what is referred to as a freebie. So, well, this car is a freebie for me from my manager. So, of course, won't you be delighted if you get a car as a freebie? Well, of course, it is hard to imagine, but it might happen. And if it happens, wow, it is delightful. Well, last but not the least, another word which indicates that you got something for free is handout. So, of course, handouts are not just mean that you got something for free, but practically handouts are something which you get over and above your standard stuff. For example, if you go for any coaching classes or something, you get your handouts there, don't you? So those handouts are over and above your coaching classes. Or, I mean, that's just a little example, but again, something which you got, which is complimentary, is actually referred to as a handout. So his family is very proud. They won't accept handouts from anybody. So it's like a sort of a gift, or again, a sort of a perk which you've got is actually called as a handout. So, well, if you happen to get handouts, definitely you would love them, won't you? And now that you know, there are so many different words to indicate that, to actually convey a message that you got something for free, well, definitely use it and express and share your happiness with the world. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.